Hello, Internet. Yes, that was a city bus you just witnessed, cutting off all of the oncoming traffic on that green light. Hi, my name's Eric. I'm a rideshare driver in Austin, Texas. And over the last few years, drivers in Austin have gotten, let's just say, a little bit worse. Every day it gets a little bit more, to the point where I've actually joked with my passengers that it might be time for me to start wearing leather because we're clearly living in Mad Max world. So, as a rideshare driver, I collect a lot of dashcam footage, and I've decided to start sharing it with you all. I'm going to aim for once a week or every other week. We'll see how quickly I collect footage. I'll share it with you. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the stupidity. I'm not 100% sure what this guy was thinking. This was right after a major hailstorm came through with hurricane force winds. But this was, like I said, after that storm, so there's no need to hide under the overpass there. So good luck, dude. I guess you're lucky you didn't get a ticket. Every day I get one homeless person, it seems like, that steps out. Note how my light turns green before he enters the intersection. Here we have another red light runner that is probably the most dangerous one in this video. Now, I get it. The construction in Austin is a bit ridiculous at this point, but to hold up all of the traffic behind you gives the most main character energy of any clip in this video. This lady sat here for so long just to wait for the light to turn green so she could cut off the car to her left. It's honestly infuriating.
Right turn only!
I'll be honest, I kind of blame the city for this one. There's no sign saying yield on green. It's pretty much what the text says here. I have to pull up further than I would like in order to see to the left, but he has the room. Here we go once again with the red light runners. I see this happening more and more. Thankfully, this time it was on a city street and not the freeway. This is another classic example of main character energy. Just waiting to the last moment to pull over to turn and not getting all the way into the turn lane.
Dude, you cannot be... No.
This is another rideshare driver. I'm guessing because of the Lyft sticker. But seriously, dude, what are you doing? Pay attention. Another red light runner, and I honestly have no words. I apologize for the length of this clip. I tried to figure out how to speed up the whole thing, but I'm very new to editing video and couldn't get that to work. But the thing to note here is that Waymo driver that just passed 3 or 4 cars behind me there and is trying to cut off all of us turning into Silker Park, Barton Springs Pool. And he just sits there, and we all eventually go while he continues to sit there. He, it, I'm not, what are the pronouns to use for a Waymo? I don't even know. Well, that's it for the dumb driving for the last 2 weeks of May. Hope you enjoyed the footage. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, share. You know the drill.